In this video, I'm going to show you how to do true dumbbell lateral raises. Now, the vast majority of people do these wrong because they don't understand one simple concept, and it's that the first 15 degrees of abduction are not done by your deltoid. They're done by the supraspinatus. And so from here to here, you're not getting any tension or work done on the deltoid. From here to here, that's where the real work happens. And as a side note, the final 15 degrees of abduction are the trap, not the deltoid again. So the way we hit the deltoids hard in a lateral raise is by keeping our motion from here to here. We never drop down below 15 degrees and we go back up. Try these and you will notice a really big difference as you maintain constant tension on those deltoids. Rather than from here, there's a big rest at the bottom, because not only are you not working your deltoids from there to there, but there's no resistance with gravity from here to here. You're not working against gravity, it's a side-to-side motion. So, true dumbbell lateral raises, we start here, we go up, and back down. Always with a pause at the top to make sure we're getting a good contraction.